you just decide like that. That's when we're pulling.
Yep.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dodge.
Help so.
Soak.
Soaks. I like the effort, Cole.
Dodge.
Watch waves. Here comes Meteor.
In.
Help so.
And we're swapping. Great, clear on your friends without killing them. Get Chase up.
Watch your
Watch orbs on shadow side.
AOE incoming.
Not a beware.
Those are
AOE.
just fire tornadoes that were just taken to the face. Ready to
Swap.
swap.
Dodge.
Clear on your friends without killing them. Watch tornadoes. I'm gonna move them a little bit.
Soak.
Need swirls in the back. Great job.
Dodge.
This is really good. Just stay focused, guys.
In.
Help so.
So Meteor, we're gonna have one more swap here. All right, clear on your friends without killing them. We do this correctly, and we get into the final phase.
I do like the final phase, guys.
And it's gonna transition soon.
4.
Watch your
NATO's first.
AOE incoming.
AOE. Transition.
Clear?
Yep. Spread out.
It
Lane
auto
rally.
clears you in this phase.
That's right. Yep.
All right, great. Lust. Okay, we got bombs to go far, and then we have Shadow and Flame in 7 seconds. Get these far out. War rally now.
Spread.
I mean, lane rally. Okay,
Help so.
clear with your friends.
So-
Clear with your friends. Soak, 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 and clear. Soak and clear. One in the far. Really nice leap. Wait, make sure you're clearing. Meteors, stack in. This is going to be
There's a
Wax Roar.
gateway.
Do we have a gateway? Just take gateway.
Oh,
Everybody
nice
out?
gateway.
Yeah, you like that?
I did.
All right. Stay focused. Jarko, you're going to rally this next Shadow and Flame.
Do not stand behind the tank.
Whack. Innervate.
Bombs far, and then Shadow and Flame. Everybody spread. Get bombs out. Spread and bombs. Spread and bombs. Jarko rally.
Spread.
Job. Clear on your friends.
Help so.
Soak.
Get these out and soak.
In.
Help so.
Soak to this. Everybody in.
I got roar.
Yep, Dog roar.
AOE.
Everybody away.
2 people need to clear.
Yep.
We have resin 10.
Get Jeremy.
Okay.
Bombs and then thing again. Sacral, you're gonna salve it.
I'm ramping as well.
Great. You can pre-trank if you need to. Probably not a bad idea.
Spread.
Okay.
Spread, 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 spread. Clears.
Help
Did
so.
someone clear on me
So-
in melee?
Soak. Soak, 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 soak.
I need
In
a
the
3.
back.
In the back.
Thank you.
Someone res me into your account.
Yep, I got you now. It's safe.
Yes.
Oh, fuck, dude, don't take it. Don't take it.
Don't take it. Get me.
There's a gateway. There's a gateway.
Everybody away. Everybody away. I'm taunting the boss out.
Hellstones, soul pots.
Yep, keep yourself up. SLT right on top of the group for the next one. Sacral roll home symbol. Okay, get these out. We live through this and we win. Spread for Shadow and Flame.
Spread.
Drop Link on top of the group now. They're on your friends.
Help soak.
Soak.
Soaks, everybody soak. Everybody soak. I do not care about your clearing right now. Husk Ankh.
In.
Help soak.
You guys got
Everybody
it.
in
You guys
this.
got it.
Everybody soak. Everybody soak. Everybody soak. Everybody soak.
AoE.
Everybody away. And we kill it here.
Fuck yeah.
You're not saying behind the tank?
We got 15 seconds. Just get the things out and focus him.
Am I in?
Let's get these out. Spread. I got Touch of Death soon.
Spread.
Just hold it and kill him. Ignore these and kill the boss. Great job. Good job, everybody.
The secrets that Shadow Flame hold. There is no
Is it still
denying
just
it.
2 for the mythic slot?
But it seems too
3. So we got first mythic slot. Granted, there's not a lot of loot, so we're really hoping that healers just get the mythic.
Trinket. Yeah.
Rash.
Yeah, the scale.
Look at
Oh,
that sweet
scale.
one-hander. Oh,
Yup.
yeah.
All right, very good first night in mythic, everybody. We're probably going to do a similar thing next week as we do this week. Thank you, dog. We'll go in, we'll knock out heroic. Now that we know the skip works, we'll likely do the last 2 bosses on normal, and then we'll spend Wednesday in mythic. Once we have bosses like in heroic, we can realistically skip. No, we're going to extend. There's no reason for us to extend this early into the season. Now that we know the strats and stuff, we're going to one-shot Kazara. We're going to one-shot... Yes, let's get a picture. Thank you. More. I will do loot, and then we will get on our way.
Let's go take a picture with the other bosses.
I'd rather not.